Today's video is sponsored by Dossier. Dossier, iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. Dossier delivers high-quality, luxury-inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. I was sent Oriental Vetiver, inspired by Byredo's Baldy Afrique Eau de Perfume, which is priced at $39. With notes of lemon, orange blossom, and vetiver, this is perfect fragrance to get heads turning. The other scent I was lucky to receive was Floriental Vanilla, inspired by YSL Black Opium Eau de Perfume, which is priced at $29. This scent gives the luxury feel without the luxury price. Notes of licorice, jasmine, vanilla, and coffee will have you smelling absolutely mouth-watering. Click the link in the description below to check out Dossier's website and see what scents catch your eye. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Symone, and in today's video we're going to be making some vegan spaghetti. What you're going to need is you're going to need your spaghetti sauce of choice. I'm using the Classico brand, sweet basil and tomato and basil. You're going to need onion powder, garlic salt. You're going to need olive oil, your choice of pasta. You're going to need salt. I'm also going to be using some reduced sodium Lawry's seasoning salt, and then also salt-free garlic and herb seasoning. And then for our meat, we're going to be using the Beyond Sausage link. So we have the Brat original, and then we have the hot Italian. There's no soy in this because we try to eat plant-based meats that do not contain soy. Soy gives me headaches, and too much consumption of soy is not good for you. So this is everything that you guys are going to need for the pasta. Let's get started. Alright, so here I'm opening up the first pack, which is the bratwurst, and I'm just going to go ahead and pour the contents of that into this bowl. And then I'm going to go ahead and open the hot Italian one. Guys, I had no idea it was hot Italian, and the colors differ, so I don't know why I didn't pick up on that, but I'm just going to go ahead and place those into the bowl. Here I'm going to be mashing up the meats, joining them together, and I'll be showing you how soft they are with the fork. Once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and mash them up with the potato masher so that the meat is all nice and grounded up. Alright guys, so now that the meat is all mashed up, it's going to look like this. Now I did want to tell you, if you see, like, I don't know if you guys can see, like right here, but ooh, well, I'll show you guys if I can. But in the meat, there's gonna be like a gel casing around it. Don't worry, it's not plastic, it's actually algae. So again, being that it is plant-based, it's all made from plants. Algae is a plant. So if you see anything that looks plasticky, like I'll show you right here. You see this piece right here? Don't worry, it's not plastic. When it does thaw out, you are able to just pull it off if you want to. I just leave it in. It doesn't bother me or my husband, so we just keep it all in there. It's algae, it's not plastic, so it dissolves once you cook it. It's not gonna hurt you. So here you're gonna see me season the meat, so I'm gonna go in with McCormick salt-free garlic and herb. I'm also going to be using some Lawry's reduced sodium. I'm going to be using some garlic salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and then I'm going to be using my hands to mix it together because I just feel like it's better. My hands are clean, so I'm just going to be mixing it together. And the great thing about plant-based meat is it's plant-based, so there's no cross-contamination. So it's not raw meat, you guys. As you guys can see, it cooks just like ground beef. You know, it has its own oil, own grease, so it gives it that realistic, you know, real feel, and it smells so good, y'all. So this is what it should be looking like right now. As you can see, it's brown. Some of the pieces are crispy, just how we like it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put this on
low heat. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add in our spaghetti sauce. So I'm going in with the traditional sweet basil first. And then I'm gonna go in with tomato and basil. Ooh, this one's a little, there we go. That was a little tough to open, jeez. All right. Like the old school do it. I'm gonna add some water in the jars. Shake it up and get the rest of everything out of there. Alright. Mix it with a little city punch. Shake it up. And add it back in there. There we go. And now we are just going to mix everything together. So let's go ahead and taste it. Now y'all can't see my face, but you can hear my voice. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. It's real hot though, y'all. It's hot, y'all. But so good, so worth it. So all of the ingredients will be listed down below in the description box. Please make sure that you guys thumbs up this video, comment down below what's your favorite way to eat spaghetti or favorite way to make it. I would love to hear your suggestions. And follow me on Instagram at Symone Stylez with 2 Z's. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.